Good day to the panel. I'm Kumar. Today I will present our paper, Fuzzy HP application for inspection mechanism selection towards automated inspection system development. This paper is a collaboration between Dr. Rosmaini Ahmad from University Malaysia Perlis, UNIMAP, and myself from Penang Skills Development Center, PSDC. Normally, when we want to develop or improve existing system or machines, it will involve multiple criteria consideration. So we need to cross these criteria with the alternatives that we have to find out which is the best alternative or most optimized alternative. For this purpose, we can use multi-criteria method. In this paper, we are using fuzzy analytic hierarchy process, fuzzy HP method. This fuzzy HP method takes into account fuzzy environments. We will be using fuzzy HP to select the best inspection system or the most optimized inspection system for be installed on a manufacturing facility. The research is carried out in a manufacturing plant which is involved in manufacturing adhesive tape. These adhesive tapes are used for domestic and also for industrial application. Basically, as you can see in figure 1, it has a liner unwinding process, silicone coating process, adhesive coating process, rewinding, lamination process, and also face stop unwind. Our study will be focused on installing inspection system in the lamination process because most of the defects which occur on the adhesive tape occurs in this particular process. Before performing the development of the automated inspection system, we need to select which is the best mechanism. There are several mechanisms. To select the best mechanism, we are using fuzzy HP process. This process has 4 steps, which is hierarchical structuring, criteria weighing, alternative weighing, and final score of the alternative. So based on these steps, we have obtained this hierarchy. As you can see in the first hierarchy, we have stated our problem, which is to find the best automated inspection system mechanism. And most optimized, the optimization of the inspection system is influenced by these 4 criteria, which is cost, reliability, durability, and minimal lagging. And from the suggestion and also research, we found out that there are 3 alternatives. First, we have the pressure strip and profiling pressure and image. These 3 alternatives are options available to develop the automated inspection system. You can see as in figure 5, this is a pressure strip application. And then as you can see in figure 6, this is a profiling pressure. And finally, as you can see in figure 7, this is image inspection method. So image inspection method is using a software and also a controller and a webcam. Pressure strip is using a sensor, and pressure profiling is also using a sensor strip. So these are the available alternatives. So we need to use fuzzy HP to find out which is the most optimized alternative which can cater for the cost, reliability, durability, and minimal lagging. The weighing of each criteria towards the alternative are performed using this criteria weighing evaluation, as you can see in the table number 3. After performing step number 3 and step number 4, we have obtained this result, which you can see from the result, the highest score is obtained by the alternative for image inspection system, which is 0.706. So this alternative is the most optimized alternative, which can cater these 4 criteria, which performs better, the best in these 4 criteria, which is cost, reliability, durability, and minimal lagging. Therefore, from here, we found that image-based inspection system will be used as a mechanism to develop the inspection system for the lamination station. Based on the finding presented before, we have 3 main future works planned. Firstly, we will design and develop functionality flow based on the mechanism selected. Okay. And secondly, we will acquire the related hardware device, which could be electronic controller, camera, and also develop the related programming algorithm to support the efficiency of the AIS, automated inspection system. And finally, we will develop the AIS prototype and install it in the lamination station or machine to validate their functionality and also the performance. So till there is our presentation. Thank you very much.